Hey, what's going on, guys? My name's Taylor.
And I'm Jack.
And welcome back to another Smokeshow happy hour, our favorite excuse to day drink. Today we have the Cranberry Sparkler. Now, I don't know about you guys, but we have a bunch of leftover cranberries from the holidays that we've been trying to get rid of, so we have a bunch of cranberry drinks coming around. Made a whole bunch of cranberry simple syrup here, so it's going to be a main ingredient that we're going to use in the next couple drinks over the next month or so. But let's get right into all the measurements.
So we're going to do 1.5 ounces of vodka. We're going to do 3/4 ounce of a spiced cranberry syrup, and we'll talk a little bit more about how to make this. 1/2 ounce of lime juice, and then we're going to top it with about 2 to 3 ounces of club soda.
Now for the rim of this drink, we are going to be using a sugar rim, and we're going to zest an orange peel inside of there just to add a little bit of color and a little bit of flavor right in the front of your profile, right there.
Yeah, that's always great because it's not just like straight sweet. It adds a little bit of depth. And while you're doing that, I'm going to start measuring out some of our ingredients. So we have 1.5 ounces of vodka. Thank you, sir. We're going to do 1/2 ounce of lime juice.
There you go, 1/2 ounce. Now I'm going to add a lot of orange peel into this rim right here because I'm really going for the color. And I know a lot of people don't really like tasting their orange peel necessarily, but if you're a big fan of old fashions with a twist, then you know having that orange peel right in front of your nose is going to be the best possible thing to keep that flavor from being overpowering.
Oh, and it definitely is not bitter. Once you mix it with the sugar, it's going to be delicious. Yeah. And then we're going to do 3/4 ounce of our spiced cranberry syrup. And so basically with this, all that we did was we took cranberries, sugar, and water. So sugar and water in equal parts. Threw a bunch of cranberries in, and then simmer it over medium heat until the cranberries kind of blister. And then we also threw in, the reason it's spiced is because we threw in a cinnamon stick. So it adds a nice little depth of flavor there.
Now to really get that red color pop, you should muddle together some of those cranberries to kind of release those colors too.
Yeah.
Because that's where it comes from and gets that, effect of really looking cool when you're mixing it into your drink.
You can see on that. I'm going to hold it up in front of this front cam. It's very bright red. It's a very vibrant color. So I'm going to go ahead and shake this baby up.
So one thing that we're realizing when we're rolling this around in the sugar-orange zest combo is it's not really sticking to the front of your glass or the top of your glass. It is still going to have a good profile of orange layered evenly throughout it, but you're not going to have that zesty kind of like orange peel right in your face the whole time.
You may not see it, but it's flavoring the sugar, so you're still getting a lot of that. Yeah.
It's still there.
Yeah. These really cool hexagon-shaped cubes. We're just going to use a few of them. Normally we'd use a large cube, but we're topping this with our club soda, so we don't want to fill too much of the glass. So we're going to strain this in.
Look at that beautiful color.
Oh my goodness. And then last step, we're going to take our club soda and top it here.
That's beautiful.
Yeah,
there you go, man.
That's great.
Finishing this one off nicely, we're going to just put a little orange wheel right on top there.
Ooh.
Beautiful, man. I'm really excited to try this.
Yeah,
honestly, I think the color is super vibrant. I'm not getting enough of the orange zest on the rim that I was looking for here, but I think the flavor is going to be there just enough. So.
Yeah, and I feel like part of that, if you had a smaller, like we have a micro grater here, but it's not the smallest grate that you can get. I feel like if you had something a little bit smaller, you might get a little bit more of that, but this still looks incredible. And I can smell the orange.
Really?
Yeah,
that's good. There you go.
Sure. Oh,
good?
Dude, yeah, you're going to like this. Yeah, wow. Whew. I'm not even going to comment until you try it.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Whoa. Okay, you know what that tastes like? What is it? The ices, the sparkling drinks, you know?
Yes, yeah.
That's exactly what it tastes like.
You're right. The tall, thin bottles.
Yeah.
Oh my God, you're
That's
right.
That's dangerous.
This is delicious. Yeah.
That's perfect.
I'm normally not a huge fan of sugar rims. This is great.
Yeah.
This is like...
See, I love sugar rims on everything, but a lot of the time it's boring. And you're just getting sugar, and it's a little bit of extra grittiness. It's not really adding to the depth of your drink whatsoever. doing something as simple as just putting a little bit of orange zest in there does add a little bit of depth in there too. So I think it's great all around. And the fizziness is perfect. It wasn't too much. It wasn't overpowering. It was just enough to kind of elevate the drink. So.
And usually what I find is when you top something with club soda, it kind of mutes the flavor on the first sip. This is not the case here. So I can tell this is a very flavorful drink. And as you continue to consume it, it's just going to get better and better.
Yeah, and I'm loving all the citrus that's shining through. The lime is punching through beautifully. So all around, this is a great drink.
Yeah. Good work, dude.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy, make sure to drop a like, drop a comment if you want to see any other drinks coming up. If you have a recipe idea you want us to try, maybe we mess it up first so you can perfect the drink. Let us know. Make sure to subscribe for more content like this, and we will see you guys next week.
Next week. Cheers.
Cheers.